Yeah? What'd the Easter Bunny bring you? He was here last night.
What is this?
He was here last night. What do you think? What is that?
What is that, pumpkin?
What is it?
There is a basket.
Whoa.
Let's open it.
Is
Let's
it
bring it down here.
Is it an Easter basket, Ava?
Here.
Yeah?
Okay, undo the bow. Undo the bow. Okay. Okay. Here, Ava.
Ava.
Okay. Get in there. Open it up. Open it up. Got her. No, lift up the whole thing. Lift up the whole thing.
It's pretty heavy.
Look at all that stuff.
What is that, Ava? It's from the Easter Bunny.
Oh, boy. Oh, thank you. Thank you. What about all the other stuff?
What else did he bring you?
That ball.
There is a ball. There's another ball in there, isn't there? Look.
Look at this.
Ball.
What's that? What are those?
Those are little cars.
The cars? Ava, can you say thank you? Aw, good girl.
Look at this. It's a bat and ball.
Egg.
Egg. What's in the egg? Open it up.
Can you open it?
Here, need help? Here, what's in here?
Try to open it. What is that?
Take a little bite.
Take a bite.
No, not the whole thing, just a little bite.
What do you think?
Is it good?
Is it yummy?
You want some more? Okay, little bite, little bite.
Ava, say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Red.